Good morning, students. Today we discuss the fourth lesson, atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. This is the fourth lesson, atoms and molecules. In this atoms and molecules, we discuss the mole. Avogadro introduced the mole number. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. That is the fixed Avogadro number. That Avogadro number is denoted by Na. N means fixed number. N means fixed number. And A means Avogadro. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. So in the last class we discussed all of you take your textbooks, page number 70. In last class we discussed the example of molecular mass of water. Molecular mass of water is 18 unified mass. Molecular mass of water is 18 unified mass. But molar mass of water is, or mole mass of water is 18 grams. That means water H2O. There are two hydrogen atoms are present in H2O water molecule. So atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1. So there are two hydrogen atoms is there in H2O. 2 into 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. There is only one oxygen atom is present in H2O molecule. So 1 into 16. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 16s are 16. That equal to 18 units. This is the unified mass. AMU atomic mass unit. Unified mass according to IUPAC. IUPAC means most important students. IUPAC. According to IUPAC, the AMU is replaced by small u unified mass. IUPAC means International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Most important 9th and 10th class also. In intermediate also. IUPAC name. Expand IUPAC. International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC, AMU is replaced by U. AMU is replaced by U. U means is the symbol of unified mass. AMU means atomic mass unit. So the molecular mass of water according to IUPAC unified mass is 18 units. 18 unified mass. But mole mass of water is 18 grams. Mole mass of water is 18 grams. Both are contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 either atoms or molecules. So that means 18 units. See the page number 18 unit. 18 unified water has unified mass of water. 18 units unified mass of water has only one molecule of water. This is only one molecule of water has 18 unified mass. 1 mole mass of water is 18 grams. 1 mole mass of water is 18 grams. 18 grams. But 18 grams of water has 18 grams of water has 1 mole molecular mass of water. 1 mole molecular mass of water contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. 18 grams of water. 18 grams of mole mass of water contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That is the Avogadro number. That is equal to the Avogadro number. Avogadro number. See this chart. See this chart. This is the diagram and concept of mole. This is the concept of mole. Concept of mole. This is the mole. Mole. One molar mass contain. One mole mass of any substance contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Either atoms or molecules. Atoms or molecules. For example, here, look at the board here. 1 gram of hydrogen atom. Just 1 gram. Mass 1 gram of hydrogen atom. Mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. That 1 gram mass of hydrogen contain hydrogen, lightweight compound is hydrogen. Lightweight atom or compound is hydrogen. 1 gram of hydrogen atoms contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen. Just 1 gram of hydrogen, and hydrogen contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. That is the 1 mole. 1 gram of hydrogen contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. That is 1 mole. Next one, here 16 grams of oxygen atoms. Here only just 1 gram of hydrogen atom contains 6.22 into 10 power 23. Here 16 grams of oxygen atom. 16 grams of oxygen atom contain this first. See this first. Contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 equal to Avogadro number. Atoms of oxygen. 1 gram of hydrogen atoms contain 1 gram of hydrogen atom contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Here 16 grams of oxygen also. 16 grams of oxygen atoms also contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen. That is equal to 1 molar mass of 16 grams of oxygen. Molar mass of any molecule is equal to the any atoms or any molecule is equal to the 6.022 into 10 power 23. This is also called 1 mole. 1 molar mass of 16 grams of oxygen. Here 32 grams of oxygen molecules, not atoms, molecules. We know the combination of 2 or more atoms to form a molecule. Combination of 2 or more atoms to form a molecule. Here 32 grams of oxygen molecules contain here 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen. Just 1 gram of hydrogen atom also contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. 16 grams of oxygen atom also. 16 grams of oxygen atom contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. 32 grams of molecules. Oxygen molecules. Here 32 grams of oxygen molecules also contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of oxygen. This is also a molar mass of 32 grams of oxygen molecule. Molar mass. And again, last one, here 2 grams of hydrogen molecules. Here starting 1 gram of hydrogen atom, indivisible particle. Here 2 grams of hydrogen molecules, 2 grams of hydrogen molecules contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen. 1 gram of hydrogen atoms contain same 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Here 2 grams of hydrogen molecules contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen. It is also called, or it is also equal to 1 mole, molar mass. 1 molar mass of 2 grams of hydrogen molecules equal to same. Molar mass of 1 gram of hydrogen atom equal to same. Molar mass of 16 grams of atom equal to same. Mole mass of 32 grams of oxygen is equal to same. That is the mole. That is the mole or mole mass of any substance. Again, remember page number 69. Again, you will see the molar mass. It is easier to know the mass of 1 mole of substance. The mass of 1 mole of substance, which is expressed in grams, it is called molar mass. Expressed in grams, it is molar mass. The molar mass and molecular mass are numerically equal to molar mass. The molar mass and molecular mass are numerically equal, but molar mass has no unit, grams and molecules mass has unified mass. Grams and molecular mass have unified mass. Starting one unified mass, the molecular mass of water is 18 unified mass. 18 unified mass. So Avogadro number. See the next. See the page number 69. That paragraph. The number of particles means atoms or molecules or ions present in 1 mole of any substance. Present in 1 no 2 16 8 32. 1 mole contains equal number of Avogadro number. Equal Avogadro number of atoms or molecules of any substance is a fixed value 6.022 into 10 power 23. This number is called Avogadro number constant, Na. Again students, most important, the number of particles, atoms or molecules present in 1 mole of any substance. Present in 1 mole of any substance contain the 6.022 into 10 power 23. That is called Avogadro number. Okay, see this chapter in our textbook, page number 70. This chart. See this chart. Okay, students. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.